Hi everybody! Welcome sa aking channel, and today's episodes we will be doing a loose bag. My daughter is going to turn 5 years old this month, so we'll be going to do some loose bag which I am doing every year. So gumagawa ako talaga ng loose bag every year during her birthday. It's a way of thanking na rin the guest who comes to our birthday, and also to make most of the kids happy. Kasi you know naman sa mga party, not all the kids are eating very well, but at least once they go home from the party, they have something na a small bag with full of snacks. So this is the loose bag that I have chosen for her birthday. It's her 5th birthday, and every year I have a lot of videos made for making loose bags. I am doing this every year para naman dun sa mga mommies who are also into doing loose bags, kung ano-ano ba yung mga pwede nating ilagay para maging special naman yung birthday ng ating anak. So let me just show you some of the things that I prepare here. So mostly are snacks. Mostly snacks ang mga binili ko, guys. So here's one here. These are cheesecakes. So hindi kasi ako magpapakain sa school niya. So bumili na lang ako ng cheesecakes na individual. Meron mailalagay dun sa loose bag. And then we have here some wafer sticks. Yung mga, ito kasi, maganda kasi, ayan no, nakapack na siya individually. So, parang meron siyang 4 sticks sa isang pouch na ganito. And then, of course, very nice is this one, Marie. Ayan. So, gumawa rin ako ng Marie. Meron din Marie. Then, meron din mga fruits na candy, chewy candy to, kasi pwede mo siyang kagatin, of course. And then eto, favorite ko to. These are oranges. Yan parang kang kumakain ng orange at the same time, pero actually it's a candy. And some cookies, eggnog, ayan, naka-individualize na. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkakasya ba lahat to sa ating loose bag. Of course, ito, meron na naman tayong wafer, pero coated siya ng chocolate. Ayan. And then, I also had this colorful donut lollipop. So, I don't know how many are there in this container. Probably I'll be putting like 2. Ayan. So kung ayaw naman ng mga candies, pwede nyo ibigay sa mga mommies nila or daddies nila. And then maglalagay din tayo nitong ating chocolate milk drink. Ayan. And lastly here, so a mallows, colorful mallows na naka-individually pack na rin. Okay, so what are you waiting for, guys? Let's do the making of the loose bag. So, itong loose bag na to, nabili ko to sa supermarket. Kasi sa supermarket, meron na rin kasing mga sections for birthday items and accessories that you can just go in one place sa supermarket. So, eto, nakuha ko to siya doon. Usually, nagki-create ako ng mga theme sa birthday ng aking anak. Since wala naman kaming gagawing party sa bahay kasi kakain lang naman kami sa labas. So, Sa loose bag niya, parang I've decided na lang to choose this. Celebration's very colorful. This is Mickey Mouse and the gang, right? So itong isang pack na to consists of 10 little loose bugs. Ayan. So, paghihiwalay natin kasi nakadikit siya, guys. Ayan. Very, very nice. Okay. So, gagawin ko na siya kasi 2 days from now, magbe-birthday na ang anak ko. So, marami siya kasi dalawa kaming magbe-birthday actually. So, marami siya kasi dalawa kaming magbe-birthday ng aking anak. So, let's do this para malaman natin kung ano maging arrangement niya sa ating loose bag. So, magbubukas muna tayo ng mga items. So, ayan. So, one at a time muna. Isa muna for each of, kasi tatlo-tatlo yung mga binili ko eh. Except for those items na madami ang laman sa isang lalagyan. Alright, so whatever extra nito guys will be made as baon na of Sarah. Ang candies, actually guys, si Sarah hindi talaga siya mahilig sa candies. Oh, there's a new flavor though for this one, oh. So this one, the candies will probably be consumed by mommy. By me. Sige na lang. Okay. Ayan, i-ready lang natin lahat. Buksan ko lang lahat siya ha, muna. Ayan. Cheesecake. Open ang cheesecake. And then this one here. So, I'll be making like 20 muna na loose bag guys. And I'll be doing the video very fast lang kasi hindi naman natin matatapos to at one setting. Ayan. So, try lang muna natin as a sample. So, paano ba siya? Paano natin siya itatawid? So, eto, I'm getting a bag now. I'll be placing the Milo at the bottom kasi medyo heavy siya. Okay. And then here, the wafer. Naku, pag ako tatanggap nitong ganito kadaming laman ng loose bag, makakasisiyahan ako for my anak. Diba? So, let's do this. Sana hindi siya mapunit. Ayan. So, I already have like 4 in there. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, ito naman. Ayan, guys. See that one, oh, guys. Ayan, oh. Tapos, here, kasi hindi ko pa estimate, guys. So, isa-isa lang muna na candies. Okay, candies. Such as this one here. Ayan. Okay. Tapos, we're gonna open it pala, this one. So, I put in pala there pineapple na candy. So, dapat hindi pineapple ilagay ko. Iba naman ako. So, ano. So, I'm gonna put it there. Ayan. And lastly, this one. This is very long. Hindi ko muna siya i-fold. My plan is, kasi ito natitwist, diba guys? Tapos ilalagay siya doon sa loob. But for now, hindi muna natin siya iti-twist. Just for this video. Para lang makita natin yung kanyang aesthetic. Ayan na guys. So, ito na yung loose bag ni baby. Ayan o. Daming laman. Grabe. Ayan. So, ilalagay na natin doon. Okay, I will do the fast speed. Okay, guys. Alright guys, eto na yun. Nakagawa na ako ng 10 loose bags for Sarah. And i-check pa siya later. Baka may mga na-miss din akong iba. Lalo na yung lollipop. So meron pala akong na-miss on one of the loose bag. But that is how it look like. So they have their individual mallows na ang tataas. Ayan. Tapos ito yung inside guys nila. Ito yung inside na laman ng ating loose bag. Ayan. And ganyan. So, tatapusin ko lang siya and then I'll show you later kung ano pa yung pwede natin ilagay. Kasi hindi naman to lahat pare-pareho ang magiging laman. Kasi depende sa mga matitira nitong mga items na nandito. So, tapusin ko lang and we'll let you see the final product. Alright guys, so I'm into my last loose bag. So I'm putting a lollipop, a cupcake, this one, and mallows. Okay, so here you go. Here are all the loose bags from Sarah for school and some para sa kanyang mga cousins. Ayan. So, till here na muna guys, and until next time, another birthday bash and another loose bags for next year. See you soon. Bye bye.